So hey everybody, this wig is from SoGoodHair and I received this unit a long time ago and I'm just now getting around to reviewing it. And as you guys can see, it is a 14-inch body wave bob, and this hair is so pretty and full, but yet it's still super natural. So no tangles, no shedding. It was definitely easy to work with. It came pre-plucked and it came as a 13x4 wig. Also, this wig did already come with the band sewn in, which was also a big plus. And then you'll just see me kind of fitting it to my head. And as you guys can see, it really did not need any work. So this unit does fit very securely to my head, but as you guys can see, just where my ears are, it's just a little loose and you can see the flaps. But because this unit is so natural and literally super secure, I did not feel like I needed to glue this down. But if you wanted to, you can definitely glue just the loose parts down. And as you guys can see, it's super realistic along the hairline. So to give this unit a more wet look and more tamed look, I'm using Lotta Body's mousse, and I'm just going to be smoothing this all over the hair. Again, I want that wet look, but also not frizzy, and this mousse definitely helps with like frizz or any type of flyaways. And as you guys can see, it makes this wig super smooth and literally ready to go. When I say that I am super impressed with this unit, I really try to stay away from curly bobs because they don't look that great on me, but this unit actually looks really natural. So again, the unit is super gorgeous and natural looking. I'm going to be using some foundation on the part just to make my part more realistic and stand out more, so I don't have to basically pluck my part. I'm putting this foundation in there, and then you're also going to see me kind of clean it up a little bit as well because clearly I put too much product on the brush. But I want this to look as natural as possible and to give me that scalp look. And of course, if you wanted to clean this up even more, you can use some alcohol on the hair just to get it off of the little strands. But I like to just pull them simply because, I mean, the hair that was covered was in the part anyway. And I'm going for a more natural look. So to minimize what I'm having to do, as in pluck my part or glue this unit down, I'm just using simple techniques that will actually just help it look more natural on its own and be ready to go. So as my final thoughts on this unit, literally it only took me 5 minutes to apply and to put on. Again, this unit was definitely ready to wear. I did not have to do anything. Of course, you can always do more to your units if you want, but this was just something to see if it was manageable to just slip on and go. And it looks absolutely amazing. And it's simple and to the point and super, super fast. It just worked out perfectly. And I can say what I should have did was plug my perimeter just a little bit, but I am super impressed with the outer package ready to go wear. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you guys in my next video.